This is me, a 25-year-old who just drove from Pennsylvania to Texas in his car alone to his first apartment. Alright, so we got the living room over here. So much room for activity. And we're coming from the living room into the kitchen. Nice little open space right here. Make some meals here. A lot of cabinet space. Probably won't be using all of that. Pantry right here. Got a nice little dishwasher here. I went to turn on the lights yesterday. First light I pressed was the garbage disposal. It scared the crap out of me. My mom gave me a little starter box, and there's 3. Is there supposed to be 3 on there? Because I feel like at home we have 1, but there's 3. But what do I do with 2 of the other ones? Do I just put them somewhere? But that looks kind of weird. 2? But then what do I do with this one? Just put it up here? I'm kidding, I'll put it in the laundry room. Washer, dryer, a little storage space right there, a little storage space right there. In here, you got the water heater. Now, as a former plumber, right, this looks like crap. Number one, these should not be flexible supply lines. I mean, they're copper. They should be hard supplied copper. I don't know, some rig job they got going on there, whoever did that. And then right here, like CPVC, that should all be copper too. I don't know what they're doing. Like, it's looking a little weird, but we'll let it go. They didn't put the relief valve piping less than 6 inches from the ground. Like, what are they doing here? Anyways, I come in here. There's the box my mom prepared for me, a little to-go box. Entering the bathroom, okay. We got a little sink action going there. We got a little shower, no curtain, so I have to take a shower without the curtain for the first day. Got a curtain today at the store. We got a toilet, got some towels from my mom. Okay, now you come in here, and here's the main bedroom, okay? Look who had to sleep on an inflatable bed last night. This guy. So supposedly, this is a self-inflating bed for temporary use. Oh man, I don't know if this is legit power cord. Is it inflating? It is. Is it? No, it's not. Are you supposed to power this up? There's the cord. Woohoo! Here we go. Oh, it's working. Seems good. Seems good. All I know is the neighbors are gonna hate me first night making noise at like 9 o'clock. Okay. Now you come in here. Whoa, a lot of storage here. I would say so. Definitely bigger than my closet in my room at home. Got a nice view of the trees. Yep. So from the living room, we got a little balcony action. Oh yeah, balcony. We got a little storage right there. I don't know. Probably put my tools and stuff that I had in there, and maybe my boosted board can go in there. I don't know. Look what I bought. Woo! Wow, beauteous. First purchase of the apartment. Now you may say, Anthony, why did you go with bar stools for the first purchase of the apartment? Well, I'm gonna tell you why. Because I had nowhere to sit last night. It was like 9 o'clock. I was done with my night. I drove all day, all night, the 23 hours. I just wanted to be in the apartment, and I had nowhere to sit. So I was standing the whole time, filling out what I need to do for the checklist and everything, and reading and being on the phone and stuff like that, I just sit on the edge of that mattress. So I got bar stools. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what to do with all this space. I'm coming from a bedroom in my parents' house to all this space, and you gotta fill it, you gotta put furniture in everywhere, and I don't know what to do. But we're gonna figure it out. So besides the apartment, there's also the pool area outside, there's a courtyard outside, 24/7 gym, there's like a hangout club area with like a pool table, foosball, a lounge area, a work area, all that stuff. Love the area. Love that this apartment complex is all gated off and feels safe. Like, it's a nice area, so I'm digging it. I'm happy with it. The most important part though, besides everything, is that I am within 5 minutes of Alpha Land, which means it's time to grind, baby. For the past 6+ years, my workouts have been 3 hours long because I love to really be in there, get my stuff done, and no distractions. 3 hours of my time is spent in that gym. I don't care what else is happening in the day. 3 hours of time is spent in that gym, or has been. It's time to up it a little. I'll be making content. I'll be doing all different things with that complex, Alpha Land. I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably gonna be there for 4, 5, 6 hours a day, which may seem crazy to be at the gym that long. I'm not gonna be working out for 6 hours, but between filming videos, between getting, content and stuff like that, like I'm probably gonna be there for minimum 4 hours when I'm there. Maximum, who knows. Feeling grateful, feeling blessed to be in this position. I'm super excited that I got to this point, that I was able to really make this whole entire thing happen. I worked very hard over the years to make this happen, and that's all good, but it's time to maintain it and elevate it. So it's time to grind, it's time to work hard. I'm excited to really push limits and see what I'm capable of, and like really push the envelope here. So I'm excited. I want to thank you guys for being here from the start, if you're watching this from the start, and it's time to enjoy the journey, enjoy the process, and really dig deep. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.